How to fix Roblox game app stuck on loading screen problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about the issue with the Roblox. The Roblox game is stuck in the loading screen and causing issues. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the Roblox application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. You also have to make sure that it's updated to the latest version available. For that, you have to open Play Store first and then click on the search bar at the bottom right corner of the screen and then type in Roblox. Now here, if you see an update button instead of open or enable button highlighted in blue color, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Now simply come back, open your system settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. You can simply scroll down and search for Roblox, or you can just simply go ahead and click on the search button at the top and then type in Roblox. Once you find it, click on it and now scroll down and click on storage. Now click on clear cache and also click on clear data. But before clearing the data, make sure that it includes all the files, settings, accounts and databases. So you have to be very careful regarding this. Now come back and you can also force stop this application and enable it again. Now the last method is simply uninstall the application completely from your device, and once it is uninstalled, simply open your Play Store, search for Roblox and install it on your device once again. And now finally restart your phone and relaunch the system. So that's all for this video. This is how you can exactly solve the problem with the Roblox app that is stuck in the loading screen. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.